This dance is called Soak Up the Sun. It's a 32 count, full wall, improver level line dance with one tag. Starting on our right foot with some heel switches. So we touch our right heel forward, step the right beside the left, touch the left heel forward, step the left beside the right. Walk forward, right, left. Heel switches again. So we touch the right heel forward, right beside the left heel forward, left beside the right. And this time we're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left. So now little set of steps once more then. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8. Heel and walk, walk. Heel and forward, rock. Half shuffle turn over your right shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. Step forward on the left, pivot yourself a further quarter turn to the right, cross the left over the right. And on a kick, ball, cross with the right, kick, ball, cross, step the right to the side, touch your left heel forward on the diagonal towards 7:30, hold. So now a little set of steps once more. Half shuffle off on the right. 7, 8. Half shuffle, step, pivot, cross, kick, ball, cross, side, heel, hold. Now there is the equivalent of a 3/4 turn in that section. Should you need to try and take it out, your non-turning steps would be, rather than doing your half shuffle, shuffle back on that right. Rock back on the left as you recover your weight, turn a quarter turn to the left, cross the left over the right. Then you can go into your kick, ball, cross, side, heel, hold. So that will take out that 3/4 turn should you need to do so. So let's add that onto the top. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8. Heel and walk, walk. Heel and forward, rock. Half shuffle, step, pivot, cross, kick, ball, cross, side, heel, hold. Step down all that left in place so it doesn't move. Touch your right beside the left. Step back on the right, touch that heel forward to that diagonal again. Bring the left back beside the right, cross shuffle, right over left. Into a half rumba box backwards, so step the left to the side, right beside left, step the left back, 2 side touches, right to the side, touch left, left to the side, touch right. So that little set of steps once more. So you're stepping, literally just stepping down on that left where it is to start this section. 7, 8, and touch and heel and cross shuffle, side close back, side touch. Let's add that to the top. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8. Heel and walk, walk. Heel and forward, rock. Half shuffle, step, pivot, cross, kick, ball, cross, side, heel, hold. And touch and heel and cross shuffle, side close back, side touch. Half a rubber box going forwards. So we step the right to the side, left beside right, step the right forward. Step slightly forward on that left, twist your heels both to the left, back to centre. Your weight should still be on the right foot. Coaster step off on the left, back, close, step forward on that right, pivot half a turn to the left. So that set of steps once more then, half rubber box off on the right. 7, 8, side close step, step, twist, twist, coaster, step, step, pivot. In the dance when we get to that point, let's put it all together. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8, heel and walk, walk, heel and forward rock. Half shuffle, step, pivot, cross, kick, ball, cross, side, heel, hold. And touch and back, heel and cross, shuffle, side, close, back, side, touch, side, close, step, step, twist, twist, coaster, step, step, pivot. So that is your dance. I'll now go through it with counts. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and hold 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So hopefully that gives you a feel for what the timing is like, especially around that little tricky section with those heels in the middle. So that is your dance, but it is a 4-wall dance. So let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Heel switch off on the right. 7, 8. Heel and walk, walk, heel and forward rock. Half shuffle, step, pivot, cross, kick, ball, cross and heel, hold and touch back, heel and cross, shuffle, side, close, back, side, touch, side, close, step, step, twist, twist, coaster, step, step, pivot. Heel and walk, walk, heel and forward rock. Half shuffle, step, pivot, cross, kick, ball, cross, side, heel, hold, and touch back, heel and cross, shuffle, side, close, back, side, touch, close, step, step, twist, twist, coaster, step, step, pivot. Heel and walk, walk, heel and forward rock. Half shuffle, step, pivot, cross, kick, ball, cross, side, heel, hold and touch and heel and cross, shuffle, side, close, back, side, touch, close, step, step, twist, twist, coaster, step, step, pivot. Now there is one little tag in this dance. It comes at the end of wall 2. So you will be facing the back wall when you come to do the tag. Quite simply, the tag is heel switches to start. So we touch our right heel forward, right beside the left heel forward, left beside the right. Step forward on the right, pivot half a turn to the left. And repeat. Heel switches, we touch the right heel forward, right beside the left heel forward, left beside the right, step forward on the right, pivot half a turn left. Heel switch, step, pivot half, twice. So just do that once more. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8, heel and step, pivot, heel and step, pivot. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 is your timing. Now that combination of steps does give you a full turn. If you do struggle with that, you want to try and take it out, the easiest way of doing so is do your heel switches, heel and rock back on the right, recover, heel and rock back on the right, recover. Easiest way of taking them out, should you need to. End of wall 2. So wall 2 is our 3 o'clock wall. So let's do wall 2, add on the tag and restart. Heel switches off on the right. 7, 8, heel and walk, walk, heel and forward rock. Half shuffle, step, pivot cross, kick, ball cross, side heel hold and touch, back heel and cross shuffle, side close back, side touch, side close step, step, twist, twist, coaster, step, step, pivot, tag, heel and step, pivot, heel and step, pivot, restart, heel and walk, walk, heel and forward rock. So hopefully you can see how it fits in. So that is your dance, that's your walkthrough, it's your tag information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Heel and walk, walk. Heel and forward rock. Half shuffle, step across, kick, ball cross, side heel fold and touch and heel and cross shuffle. Side goes back, side touch, side close step, step twist twist, coaster step, step. Heel and walk, walk. Heel and forward rock. Half shuffle, step across, kick, ball cross, side heel and touch and heel and cross shuffle. Side close back, side touch, side close step, step twist twist, coaster step, step, pivot, tag, heel and step, pivot, heel and step, pivot, restart, heel and walk, walk, heel and forward rock, half shuffle, step, pivot cross, kick, ball cross, side heel and touch and back and cross shuffle, side close back, side touch, side close step, step twist twist, coaster step, step, pivot, heel and walk, walk, heel and forward rock, half shuffle, step across, kick, ball cross, side heel, touch back heel and cross shuffle, side close back, side touch, side close step, step twist twist, coaster step, step, pivot, heels, half shuffle.
Probably a few hazy ones. But man, when my days are done, it'll make a good buck. Till then I'll soak up the sun, keep the wind in my sails, and try to get to heaven while I raise a little hell. When it's all said and done, I'll know I lived well if I ain't got nothing but a few good stories to tell.
Shuffle. And touch. Hope you managed that one.